Welcome back to today's morning report chart appraisals on Thursday the 4th of December with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Tech Markets. Let's look at sterling dollar now, and cable has sort of in the last few days really, it's just consolidated really for the last few weeks actually, and you could argue that it sort of is coming into a bit of a sort of a symmetrical triangle almost. Let me just draw that in with these trend lines here, and sort of building for a bit of a breakout of that triangle. And it looks, I think, like that certainly if you look on the daily chart, sorry, that's euro, look on the daily chart, all the trends are negative, moving averages negative, momentum indicators negative configuration. So that would suggest that the next move is going to be down. Now, this consolidation has been moving, as I said, for the last few weeks. No real indication yet of a downside break. However, I think that with these lower highs in place now on this arguable triangle, and even today, what we have seen, if I zoom in, is some pretty consistent lower highs that we've seen that sort of back up this downtrend that we've now got. And I think it's just going to continue to put pressure on this little mini series of uptrend or higher lows, you could argue. First one comes in at 56.18, and I think that is obviously the initial support that may well come under pressure. The momentum indicators on the intraday chart have rolled over, and it looks like pressure is building once again to the downside. Cable is down 25 pips at the moment, and is one of the worst performers on the Forex majors today, having actually held up pretty well, actually, in light of the sharp dollar strength that we saw yesterday. Maybe cable is playing a bit of a catch up today, but it certainly looks like that it's going to be coming back towards putting pressure on this 56.30 area, with I suppose the absolute pip level 56.18. I think ultimately cable will be putting pressure on the range lows, 55.85. It certainly looks like that way, and I think rallies are still used as a chance to sell on cable. And as I said, the outlook on this daily chart certainly remains negative, and it doesn't look as though that the bulls are taking any sort of cause to buy cable at the moment. I haven't really talked about it much, but certainly the 21-day moving average, you could argue, is still a basis of resistance. Has been pretty good over the past few months, you could argue, on cable. In terms of the moving averages anyway, it's not the worst indicator in the world, and I think that certainly comes in at the moment 57.24. So that is something that maybe you could start thinking about. A rally towards that would be a chance to sell, but certainly I think what we're seeing is further downside in cable and retest of that 55.85 level that we saw on the 1st of December, which was Monday. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading on cable today. Could well be a bit of volatility on cable, just due to the fact that, well, not even on the back of the Bank of England, really, more to do with the ECB, which creates volatility on euro, subsequently on the dollar, and then subsequently through onto cable. So that's could well be where we see the volatility today. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later.